What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Manager, back here to bring you guys another video today. So I thought I'd just show you guys around where I'm staying right now in Mexico. It's been a great week. I'll drop some of the clips as well from what I've been doing this week. But I also just wanted to use this as a reminder that while you make money, while you invest, while you do all that kind of thing, make sure you enjoy life as well. I said this many times before, make sure you enjoy life as well. I mean, if you're making that money, use it, spend it. It's no good having all that money and it's just tucked away doing nothing. So make sure you use it wisely. As I said, explore new places, see new sights, and make the most of life, because this is what life is for. It's for living. So like I said, I'll just drop some clips, show you guys kind of what's been up, what's been happening, what I've been doing, and yeah, that'll be pretty much it. Let me show you guys the views at the penthouse. It is so lit. Now let's take you to my room. And of course, the weather is nice and sunny. But there's even places to, you know, edit YouTube videos, see an interview going on there. We've got lots of things happening. I believe there's about, I think 22 or 23 floors, and so many rooms on each floor.
Ahí está.
Wow.
Oh.
El gusanillo.
Game over.